Hey, 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 it's Marieanne, the Crochetty Clogger. What's up? Today is August the 11th, National Crochet Day. And I'm going to go release some little thingies that I made for someone to find. Hashtag augustfiberarts, you guys. So let's see. Let me show you what we're going to put out there, you know, for somebody to find and hopefully enjoy and hopefully find a nice new hobby in crochet. So what do we have? We have two pennants. You know, I think some of you have seen this before. Anyway, I thought what better to put some of these patriotic pennants out for them. Our little notes on them, and what I did was I kind of did the little homemade laminating on it with packing tape and cardstock. It says on one side, and this is exactly what Dana from Dana Wanderlust Crochet put on hers too, I think. Anyway, it says, if you found me, I'm yours. Please post a picture with hashtag augustfiberarts on any social media. And on the flip side, I wrote, want to learn how to crochet? Find out how on YouTube. So that's what we did. So we're going to put these somewhere. I don't know. I haven't decided where yet, but I'll take you along. And I have this little turtle. This little turtle. He's cute. You know, after making this, I think I might give Amigurumi another shot. I made the baby you-know-who months ago, and it was I think it was a paid pattern. I don't even remember. But my baby you-know-who, I called him, what did I call him? Frankenpiggy. Frankenpiggy. My baby Frankenpiggy, he came out a good 3 inches smaller than what the pattern said. So as I look back on it, I don't have them anymore. I gave them to somebody who really wanted them. But I had a spare part that I'd messed up on, and it was so tight. Man alive, he came out mighty small. So now I realize I don't have to be that tight with it. So I think I like little turtle. He's cute. I believe I did this from a tutorial on Happy Berry Crochet. I will link that down in the description box. A little turtle. He was fun. Okay, and then my last little object we're going to release is a rose that I've adorned with some, oh gosh, I got a load of sequins and little pearl beads and stuff, and I put some of them things on there. I'm going to, oh, and I got this from a tutorial from Bag of Day Crochet. I'll link that below too. And I'm going to dedicate this one to my mommy, whose birthday would have been August the 13th. And I know the first thing she'd say is, needs more bling. But, sewing them little things on took a while. Okay, guys, so you ready to go see where we can put them? Let's go. Okay, we're headed into the post office now, and I got my hands full of packages to send, so if I'm wobbly, I'm sorry. Plus the mask, you know, a little muffled. So, okay, we're gonna leave something in here. I'm gonna leave it at one of those desks that people stand and write on. Okay, here we go. And welcome for anybody to take. Okay, here's one more place. Right here at the bus stop. Alright. Bye, little fella. Bye, little fella. Okay, headed to the grocery store. That's another good place, right? I know exactly where I'm going to leave this pretty thing right here. One of these things, you know, it's just too hard. Well, that was fun. I hope somebody finds them all. The last one, you know how sometimes you get mixed up on whether you hit the stop button or the play button on the video? Well, that's what happened. So I just did a screenshot of the last little area, and that was at a convenience store where they have the outside tables with the umbrellas where you can eat. Yeah, so anyway, yeah. So hopefully somebody will find them, and we will see on the hashtag augustfiberarts, maybe on Instagram or Facebook. That's all I'm familiar with as far as social media. Oh, well, and YouTube. But anywho, so what else? Oh yeah, I also wanted to tell you, two friends of mine, Wanda and Angela, we decided to get together, just the three of us, last Friday night, and we had what we have called Ladies Wine and Design Night, where we come in and we do some craft of our choosing. So I'm going to show you some pics. What do you think? So here's a pic. Now Wanda is an artiste. She can paint. I wish I had that talent. I do not. My parents, man, they were artists too, but I didn't get that from them. Other arts, like dance, but certainly not painting. Well, I guess I could paint the wall. I've learned how to do that for sure. Anyhow, here's Wanda's little creation, this tiny little decorative birdhouse that she whitewashed, so to speak, and then she painted this pretty sunflower. Look, look, look. Ain't that pretty? She does such a good job. And then Angela, she took over a little, like what are them things called? Dreamcatcher macrame kit. Wanda said she tried it and she couldn't figure out the directions on it. Well, neither could Angela, but Angela did do some knotting in there. And look and see what a pretty job she did. Look, look, look. Cool. She said she's not finished because she wants to add some beads and stuff to it, but it's pretty cool. And of course I took my crochet, and what started out to be a washcloth ended up, well, just look, here's a pic. Now how about that? See, I got like the chain done and 2 rows. Yes, I got 2 rows done, and I laid it down to see how that cotton yarn, it was a peaches and cream yarn, was gonna look, and I thought, and I laid it down on the table and I looked at it and I said, man, that's a pretty, that yarn's coming up real pretty, you know. So Wanda looks at it and goes, oh, stop right there, that'd make a nice bracelet. And then she got to designing a little farther after I sewed a little loop on with a button. We got a little farther and she's like, ooh, why don't you see if you can design that thing that would go around my finger like a slave bracelet. So we modeled her hands on top of a drum, a little boho bracelet there. But anyway, we had a good time, and we're hoping that every now and again we can get together and do a little crafting together. So that's all I got for you today. I'll be checking out the hashtag augustfiberarts and see to see what might transpire. It'll be cool to see if anybody posts pics of when they find it. All right, guys, I gotta go inside, have me some lunch, and clean my house. Man, I've been so neglectful. I'll get her done. Bye, guys. Love ya.